Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am super excited to show you this beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. Now, this car is a 454 automatic. This car has power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front, factory air conditioning, 12-bolt posi rear end, front and rear sway bars, got the bigger steering box, got the SS Super Sport wheels with the caps and the beauty rings, Firestone wide oval tires. The paint and body on this car is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful 70 Chevelle, functional cowl induction hood, highly detailed engine compartment. This car is beautiful. All the chrome, the trim, all these headlight rings are new. The front bumper's new, the rear bumper's new. New AC compressor, new master cylinder, new brake booster. This car has been all completely 100% rotisserie restored. The paint on this car, like I say, is very, very nice. The wipers work. AC works. All the gauges work. The clock is not working. The door jambs in this car are very, very nice. Door panels are nice. New carpeting, new seat covers, new door panels, new headliner, new package tray, new sail panels. Dome light works. Left turn. Right turn. The air is on, so that's probably why the belt's squealing a little bit there. Low RPM, the belt was squealing. Tail lights work, turn signals work. Like I say, brand new front and rear chrome bumpers. This is just one beautiful 70 Chevelle. I do not have the build sheet for the car, so I'm not going to tell you that it's a super sport. It could be. It's got all the right stuff on it. But you know how that goes. I don't want to tell you something that it's not. You see all the headlights are working, marker lights, turn signals. Beautiful, beautiful car, everybody. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. See your AC compressor running there? We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you are interested in this beautiful Chevelle Super Sport big block car, give us a call. I said Super Sport, but in my opinion, it's a Super Sport, but I guess without the build sheet, we're gonna say it's not. But check out this car. It's so, so pretty. The paint body, really, really nice. I'll show you inside the trunk here real quick. Inside the trunk is really nice as well. You even have another wide oval matching spare tire for this car. The jambs are nice. They've done a nice job on that. Let's take this car down the road once. Such a pretty car. I say it's got all the right stuff to be a super sport. I'm pretty sure that it is, but in my mind, I'm calling it a super sport. I'm sure when you go to a car show, your people aren't going to be asking you for a build sheet, so. how nice the paint is on the car. The air conditioning is blowing ice cold. The speedometer works. The tachometer works. Fuel gauge, temp gauge. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. Please like and share our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car from Kenyon Classics. Have a great afternoon, everyone.